I'm a big fan of eggnog, but I don't like all the extra sugar, calories, additives that come in the cartons that you can buy in the store. I've perfected a recipe with a couple secret ingredients that make the difference in not only having a good eggnog, but it's a protein shake, so it's giving you some good stuff at the same time that you're enjoying a festive beverage. So let's get started. What I've got here is a shaker bottle. You can also do this in a blender. Half filled with ice with the little wire thing in there to help shake it up. We're gonna start off by adding 2 of these scoops, about 30 grams worth of protein powder. The great thing about this recipe is you can make it yours. Every one of these ingredients you can increase or decrease depending on what your needs are. This is a sugar-free eggnog syrup, and it's the magic that makes this all happen. 2 tablespoons is the serving size. I went a little over on that one. Let's do a little, okay? And the protein powder can be vegan, whatever you're into. This is 2% milk. It can be whole milk, 1%, fat-free, lactose-free, coconut milk, almond milk, totally up to you. And I'm gonna fill up the shaker halfway, not the whole way, because I like to give it a good blend. Oh, before I do the top, I'm gonna also add a little bit of cinnamon. This is optional. Cinnamon's good for you. And a dash of nutmeg. It's festive. And then just shake it. Make sure the top's on so it doesn't go all over the place. This really helps blend all the ingredients because you got a volume here of air to help whip the shake up. Once you're happy with that, I take the top off. It's a little foamy. You can tap it on the table a couple times to get the foam down. And now I'm just gonna put the rest of the milk in. Again, this is 12 ounces of milk, whatever milk you wanted to use. If you didn't want to use milk, you could use water. It won't have the same taste profile, but it's still pretty good. I've done this all sorts of different ways. Again, make sure that the lid's on. Give it one final shake. The protein powder makes it kind of thick. Just a couple festive dashes of cinnamon or nutmeg, go for it. So let's give it a shot. Oh, this is as good as any eggnog you can get or make. This syrup really is the defining difference that makes this eggnog better than anything else out there. And it's relatively guilt-free. There's still calories in here, anywhere from 150 to 300 calories, depending on what you're doing and how you design your eggnog. But the flavor profile is generally in the ballpark where it is right now, and it's fantastic. Oh man. You really owe it to yourself and your family to give this one a try. I have an ice cream recipe I'll post below that uses all these same ingredients. It's pretty close to the shake, except for it's frozen. And it takes eggnog to a whole different level. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of protein shakes, good for you food, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know. Wow, that's really good. It's taken so long to get this right. What you're gonna taste. In this recipe gives you 2 servings, so you can either double up or share with a friend. It is the holidays,